Jotelo mamine mapachoka kotelnegi kod jang'ad rieko ne jatend piny Kenya weche ratiro jomamine Harriet Chigai okwedo nek ma jomamine masani ojimbore pachoka. Gikwayo mondo mi ochuogi e chike moko matayo kaka itiyo gi mbui mag tudruok mosebedo kitiyo godo e nyayo moko kuom nek makamagi. Maeri timore kaluwore kod nek ma Starlet Wahu kod Rita Waeni e boma ma Nairobi.
Remember, but we wanted not to forget these names.
Let me reiterate that the government, in its women's agenda, explicitly committed to ending all forms of violence. Hence, we are standing here today as women leaders from all walks of life to not only condemn the violence meted upon women and girls, but also have an intimate conversation on how we can all participate in stopping the vice. I will continue to engage and work together with the judiciary to see how best we can ensure survivors are treated with dignity in courts and that the cases do not delay.
As a mother and a leader and as a Kenyan, my heart goes out to the families and friends of these victims. It is a call to action. The government, the law enforcement, and the tech community, and every user in social media. We also need to increase our public awareness. We need a national campaign to educate our citizens, especially our youth, about safe use of social media. Awareness is also our first line of defense.
I would want also to send my sincere condolences to the families that have lost their daughters in this gruesome manner. And I would want just to add on what both Waziri and Madam Speaker have said, that when it comes to matters murder, nobody should celebrate.